Skuilkrans Nature Reserve is situated in the foothills of the Riviersonde Mountains, 25 kilometers from the picturesque village of McGregor, the best preserved 19th century village in South Africa. The Berglikkie, a song written by one of the owners, Annelien, describes it as the place where it's always Sunday. Now is your chance to own a part of this unspoilt 1,640 hectares of Western Cape fynbos, which has been recently declared as a leopard-friendly farm by landmark foundations. Only 10 shares have been put out, of which 8 are left. Shares are available from 1.75 million, which includes a mountain cabin of 60 square meters. Second option is to own 1/10 of the owner's camp for 175,000 Rand once off. No hassles. Just pack your 4x4 and head for the mountains. The Berglikkie is waiting for you. Why is Skuilkrans so special? It is so high up in the mountains. You can now own your own postinia, a breakaway so far and high that your brainwaves calm down and see life in perspective. You actually start to wonder why you are so stressed. It is the place where families get connected with each other and with nature. Beautiful flowers all year round. When you are on the top, you can take out your mountain bike and explore. Why wait? We are waiting for you. Your 4x4 is not only for pavement parking, but here you really use it. This is the Van der Kool family's best kept secret for the past 21 years.
Want in die berg is dit altyd sonnig, in die berg is dit hemelstraal.